y'all, welcome to a new grocery haul. I spent, it was about 180 something, I believe. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen right here. But we got not just food, I had to get some household items. My husband needed some socks, so there's like a variety of things. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and kind of show you what we got this week. Hey y'all, before we get started with the grocery haul, I wanted to show y'all a product that was sent to me. This is a walking pad under desk treadmill. It is a 2-in-1 treadmill. It has a working mode, which is 0.5 to 2.5 miles per hour. It has a running mode, which is 2.5 to 4 miles per hour. This arrives fully assembled. Just take it out of the box and you're ready to go. It has a LED touchscreen that shows the time, the speed, the distance, and the calories burnt. It comes with a remote control watch that you can easily start, stop, increase, and decrease the speed. It has a 300-pound weight capacity. It has a 2.5 horsepower motor, low noise, less than 45 decibels. And this has an adjustable incline. Just very easily you can adjust your incline. And this is very easy to store away. It's only 4.9 inches thick, so you can place it under the sofa, a bed, or even against the wall. It has wheels, so you just lift it up and you can roll it. And this thing is awesome, y'all. It is so easy to use, very, very good to add to your home gym or even to take to work. And while you're right there at your desk working, you can be getting a workout in. So thank you to FUNMILY for sending this to me. This is definitely going to help me on my fitness journey, which I need to start. I'm planning to start. If you've been with me for any time, you know I'm not as skinny as I used to be, but hey, that's life. We get older, we gain weight. But thankfully, we have things like this, walking treadmills, or walking pad treadmills that make it easy for us to work out at home. So I thought I'd share that with y'all, and I'll have it linked down below if you're interested. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna start over here. Got my tripod set up. My husband likes this Old Spice Pure Sport, and so if I can get it in the twin pack, you save a little, and then we always have extra, so I got him that. He also wanted another package of socks, and so I got him a package of these Wrangler socks. Courtney requested more toothpaste. I think I got the right one. And I needed some heat protectant. I like this Tresemme. And I love the Dr. Teal's foaming bath. This is a sleep bath, and I really like that. And I'm planning to make cookies, and I will record, of course, when I make them. So I got two packages of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Y'all, I had requested 4 cans of this hot tomato sauce, and they told me, sent me a thing saying they wanted to substitute this, and I said no. So I don't know if they actually charged me for this or not, but I didn't want this big of a can because I don't know how I'm going to use 28 ounces. And I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, like, how long is it tomato sauce good for after you open it? I mean, I know up on top there's a date, but like once you open it, I don't know. I got me an Alani that I'm going to probably drink tomorrow. I was out of diced tomatoes, so I got the petite. I got 4 cans of the petite diced tomatoes and tomato juice, and then I got 2 cans of this Italian style that has the basil, garlic, and oregano. I got a package of butter with 4 sticks of butter because I couldn't remember if I needed any. I always use butter, so it'll get used. And I also got myself one of these Chobani flips. I like the peanut butter cup kind. More French vanilla coffee creamer, another gallon of whole milk, and I bought one of these Starbucks cold brew, the vanilla sweet cream, because I've been actually making the Kylie Pitts coffee that's went viral on TikTok. So I haven't been using as much of this, but I went ahead and bought it because I know the girls like it, and just in case I just want it one day. And I've been shredding on my own cheese, y'all. So I bought a big 2-pound package of mild cheddar, and then I bought a 8-ounce package of Sharp. And I got a purple onion and a couple of tomatoes. Man, that one is really soft. I wanted Roma tomatoes, and they substituted slicing tomatoes. I can't believe they were out, but okay. And we got three romaine heads of lettuce, package of hamburger buns and some of the butter bread, the Nature's Own. Over here, I got some of the Tropical Punch body armor. I got some Mott's apple juice, and Adrian loves prom, so we got the blue raspberry. And it's time of the year when you have people with their sinuses and allergies, so a 4-pack of Kleenex. I got some garlic powder, paprika, taco seasoning, and my husband was hunting with a friend of his in Colorado, and they were using this Cavender's seasoning, and so I went ahead and got this because he said it was really good, and I don't think I've ever really used this before. So let me know down below, like, what do y'all use it on? I know it says it's an all-purpose. I guess you can use it on anything. He said they used it on steak and it was really good. And we got some more hazelnut spread, paper plates, and if y'all want to look at that Kylie Pitts coffee, or one day maybe I'll share it with y'all, she uses this instant Taster's Choice house blend, so I got me a package of that. And I've been hearing about these. These are supposed to be copycat to Raising Cane's chicken, so we will find out. I bought a bag of those. Some toaster strudels because we all like these, a cream cheese and strawberry. I bought a jar of Prego in case I want to make spaghetti because I couldn't remember if I had any. And Adrian loves these, so I got him some frosted chocolate donuts. Takis, him and my niece love them. I mean, Courtney eats them too, but him and Peyton really like them. And I got 2 of these cookie brownie bar mix packages and 1 of the chewy fudge. So that was our grocery haul. And there we go.